Hey everyone, it's Ruby, and today we're diving into one of Sora's most creative features yet, the storyboards. If you ever struggle to visualize your video ideas before hitting generate, this is the update you've been waiting for. So last October 15, 2025, OpenAI officially launched Sora Storyboards, a tool that lets you sketch your AI video scene by scene like a real film director. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Sora's storyboard step by step to turn your ideas into full AI videos. Let's go. So first, what is a storyboard? Think of it as a visual plan for your video. It's not just a scene 1, scene 2, it's a full breakdown that includes number 1, visuals. What's happening in the scene, character backgrounds, props, colors, and styles. Number 2, audio. Dialogue, sound effects, music, and voice over cues. Number 3, how long each shot lasts. Perfect for short snappy 8 to 10 seconds clip. And number 4, camera movement. Pans, zooms, transitions, overlays, that's camera movement. Number 5, mood or emotion. The vibe you want your audience to feel. So basically, it's the blueprint of your AI needs to understand, no guessing, and no random outputs. Now, let's get hands-on. Go to Google and type Sora by OpenAI. Once you're inside, click on the video section. And on the sidebar, you'll see storyboard button. Click that. And welcome to your storyboard dashboard. Here you can either describe your image or upload your own to start building your scene. Below that, you'll see settings for aspect ratio, resolution, durations, and variations. This gives you full control over your video's shapes, quality, and pacing. Now, let's build one. If you already have your prompts ready, just paste them in the text box. Then click Add Scene for your next one. You can type or paste again, same process. You can drag and rearrange each scene however you want. It's flexible. You decide the order, pacing, and visuals. Next, choose your aspect ratio. If you're creating for TikTok or Reels, go for portrait. If it's for YouTube or cinematic videos, stick with landscape. Once everything looks good, hit create. Wait a few seconds, and here you go. You have your AI storyboard video is ready. After the generation, you'll see your scenes preview and your prompts below. If something looks off, you can always revise that specific scene or even start a new storyboard from scratch. It's super beginner friendly, but powerful enough for advanced creators too. That's everything you need to know about Sora's storyboard. If you want to try Sora yourself, I dropped the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.